Today we're making maple oatmeal bread. Come on in, welcome to my home. Super busy today. I mean super busy today. So I am not going to kid you, we're going to do this recipe really fast. I'm going to let my bread maker do all the work for me. If you have a bread maker, put the ingredients in the order that they're supposed to be in, but let the bread maker do all your work because, like I said, it's crazy today, and this time of year it is always crazy for me. So let's get going right away. I have all the ingredients listed down below. It's just so much easier that way. And so we're going to add our warm water, our warm milk. Now hopefully, normally I would have had this even open, but not today. That's how busy we've been today. Butter, then maple syrup. To that, I'm going to add a good healthy pinch of sea salt and the surprise ingredient. This is 1 cup of the oats that I use to make my oat milk, and it's been the oats that had been soaked, so I saved 1 cup and put that in there. Of course, it doesn't want to come out. There we go. To that, I'm going to add my whole wheat flour, my regular flour. Get in there. Make a well down in the center and add my yeast. I'm going to place this into my bread maker. And I know you're going to be shocked, but I'm actually going to cook this in the bread maker. Let it do every single thing that it's going to have, because I don't have time to do this today. I'm going to set it on the whole wheat setting. It's a small loaf of bread, and we're going to go and let it do its thing. And 4 hours later, our bread is done. It is delicious, it is soft, it is wonderful. It will go wonderfully with the soup that we made. If you haven't seen that episode, click that eye in the sky. It'll take you to the day where I made chicken noodle soup using the noodles, homemade noodles. And I went for nice big thick noodles because this is nice big thick bread. It is wonderful, took me no time. Now we're just going to sit down, eat, and then we have to go. I know this is one of those days where it's just been non-stop going, but making these kind of meals is so easy to do. Use all the equipment that you have in your kitchen to go ahead and make them, and go ahead and make them. Remember, if this is your first time here, hit subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and also share this video so that we can grow our neighborhood. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope I get to see you again next time. And check out these other videos I picked out just for you.